It's English time! Hello, kids! Hello, teacher! How are you today? I'm fantastic! Alright, everybody's super happy today. Great! Today we're going to watch video class what? Number 1, of course! Nice! Video class number 1 for Monday and Tuesday, October 5th and 6th. Great! In this video class, we're going to study a history class. Repeat, history. That's right, kids. In this history class, we're going to study games and toys. Great! But we're going to study games and toys from the past and from the present. Say what, teacher? Okay? Yes. First, let's understand what is past and present. Past is the time that we already lived. Yes, past. And present is the time that we are living now. Present. So, today is present, but yesterday was past. For example, this Super Mario is from the past, and this one is from the present. This one is old, and this one is new. Okay. Now that we understood what is past and present, we're going to see games and toys from the past and from the present. The teacher is going to show you some images and you're going to repeat with the teacher to practice the language and the pronunciation. Okay? Let's go! First, we're going to talk about games from the past. Let's go. This is a spinning top. Repeat, spinning top. And this toy is a button football. Repeat, button football. This toy is a marble. Repeat, marble. And this toy is a shuttlecock. Repeat, shuttlecock. This toy is a cat's cradle. Repeat, cat's cradle. And this one is a paper fortune teller. Repeat, paper fortune teller. Excellent! Now we're going to talk about games and toys from the past and from the present. Games that existed in the past and that kids still play in the present. Let's go! This game is tag. Repeat, tag. This game is hide and seek. Repeat, hide and seek. This game is hopscotch. Repeat, hopscotch. This game is skipping rope. Repeat, skipping rope. And this one is fly a kite. Classic. Repeat, fly a kite. This one is domino. Repeat, domino. And these ones are board games. Repeat, board games. we know different board games. Easy board games like checkers, repeat, checkers, and more complex games like chess, repeat, chess, and Monopoly, repeat, Monopoly. We also have video games, repeat, video games. We have old video games like these ones, repeat, old, and new video games like these ones, repeat, new. Old and new video games. Nice! Now we're going to see games and toys from the present. Games that exist only today. Let's go! This one is a hoverboard. Repeat, hoverboard. And this one is a spinner. Repeat, spinner. This one everybody knows. It's a Beyblade. Repeat, Beyblade. And this one is super classic too. It's a slime. Repeat, slime. These ones are dolls. Repeat, dolls. Today's dolls, very famous dolls, are the LOL Surprise. Yes, LOL Surprise. And the Baby Alive. Repeat, Baby Alive. Congratulations! You practiced the pronunciation and the language with the teacher. Observe that the teacher didn't mention all the toys. The teacher didn't talk about ball. The teacher didn't talk about action figures. The teacher didn't talk about water guns. But it's a challenge for you. Why don't you try to look up for your favorite toy in English and how do you say in a language? It's a challenge for you guys. That's right. Now it's time for you to take your toys. What? Because it's homework time. That's right, kids. This homework time is super fun. You are going to take your favorite toys and bring to the live class. You have to bring 2 toys, one from the past and one from the present. Right? Bring your toys to the live class of Tuesday, not Monday, Tuesday, October 6th. We are going to share and show to the camera our toys in the live class. If you don't have the toy from the past, no problem. Bring only the one from the present, the one that is your favorite. Bring your toys because the teacher also is going to bring a toy from the past and one from the present. All right, time to say bye-bye. See you later, kids.